Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix iPhone is not connecting to PC via USB cable. For example, if you want to connect your iPhone to your PC or computer with a USB cable and it is not connecting, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on trust while you connect your iPhone to PC. As you connect your iPhone with your PC, there is option available trust computer, and after that your iPhone will be connected to your PC. And after that you have allowed that and it is still not connecting, then what you have to do, you have to simply go for the next step, which is as that you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to click on that, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. After that you have to simply click on reset, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset location and privacy. And after resetting location and privacy, you have to simply go back, and after going back what you have to do, you have to simply check whether the cable you have connected is well and good, which means it is not breakable, broken or anything like that. And after that you can also check your computer USB ports, and after checking all the details, then what you have to do, you have to go for the next step, which is that you have to go to settings, and after going to settings you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on software update, and after that you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS update. And after checking all that, you have to also check your computer whether it has latest software or not. And after checking all the details, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go to the Apple Support and ask for the solution of the problem. If the problem is still there, then you have to wait for the next update so that this error can be solved by the latest iOS update. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.